Hello, good afternoon, student. My name is Hiral Raval. Today's date 12 October 2020. Standard 9th. Subject Science. Students, this is our revision lecture. In your exam, in October exam, the syllabus of 9th Science, chapter number 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, and 15. Okay, I repeat this chapter number 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, and 15. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 chapters are there. Okay, so let's start revision chapter number 1. Okay, students, this is our revision lectures. Chapter number 1, matter in our surroundings. Okay, so as we look at our surroundings, we see a large variety of things with different shapes, sizes, and textures. Okay, we see the various type of things. Everything in this universe is made up of material which scientists have named matter. The air we breathe, this food we eat, stones, clouds, stars, plants, and animals, even a small drop of water or a particle of sand. Everything is matter. We can also see as we look around that all the things mentioned above occupy space and have mass. In other words, they have both mass and volume. Okay, कोई कोई जो मैटर होती है जिसमें both mass और volume दोनों considers होता है. Since early times, human beings have been trying to understand their surroundings. Early Indian philosophers classified matter in the form of 5 basic elements: the Panchtattva, air, earth, fire, sky, and water. According to them, everything living or non-living living or non-living was made up of these 5 basic elements. Ancient Greek philosophers had arrived at a similar classifications of matter. Okay, उसका similar classifications दिया है. Modern day scientists have involved two types of classifications of matter based on their physical properties and chemical nature. In this chapter, we shall learn about matter based on its physical properties. Chemical aspects of matter will be taken up in subsequent chapters. Okay, so start 1.1 physical nature of matter. Okay, matter is made up of particles. Metals जो है वो particles से बनते हैं. For a long time, two schools of thought prevailed regarding the nature of matter. One school believed matter to be continuous like a block of wood, whether the other thought that matter was made up of particles like sand. Let us perform an activity to decide about the nature of matter. It is continuous or particulate. Okay. Here one activity is activity 1.1. Take a 1000 milli beaker. Fill half the beaker with water and mark the level of water. Dissolve some salt sugar with the help of a glass rod. Observe any change in water level. What do you think has happened to the salt? Okay, क्या उसमें जो है वो हमें चेंज दिखाई देता है? Where does it disappear? Does the level of matter change? जो matter से उसका level change हो रहा है. In order to answer these questions, we need to use the idea that matter is made up of particles. What was there in the spoon? Salt or sugar has house spread throughout water. This is illustrated in figure 1.1. हम figure 1.1 जो है diagram है. This is the diagram of the activity. In first picture you show that water add salt, and second picture you have show the water stir salt, and in the third picture you have see the water and salt. When we dissolve salt in water, the particles of salt get into the spaces between particles of water. Okay, now the another activity, how small are these particles of matter? Activity 1.2. Take 2-3 crystals of potassium permanganate. What is the structures of potassium permanganate? KMnO4. K potassium, Mn manganese, O oxygen. The formula of potassium permanganate is KMnO4. Take 2-3 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in the 100 ml of water. Take out approximately 100 ml of these solutions and put into 90 ml of clear water. Take out 10 ml of these solutions and put it into another 19 ml of clear water. Keep diluting the solutions like this 5 to 8 times. Is there water still colored? जो water है उसमें colored हो गया है? Yes. And estimating how small are the particles of matter with every dilutions. Though the color becomes light, it is still visible. This experiment shows that just a few crystals of potassium permanganate can color a large volume of water, about 1000 liters. So we conclude that there must be millions of tiny particles in just one crystal of potassium permanganate, which keep on dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles. The same activity can be done using 2 ml of Dettol instead of potassium permanganate. The smell can be detached even on repeated dilutions. ओके ये जो प्रोसेस है वो हम रिपीट कर सकते हैं. द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर आर वेरी स्मॉल. दे आर स्मॉल बियॉन्ड आवर इमेजिनेशंस. हम जो इमेजिनेशंस करते हैं उससे भी स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स होते हैं मैटर्स के. ओके, नाउ वी डिराइव द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर. पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर हैव स्पेस बिटवीन देम. दोनों के बीच में गैप रहता है. In activities 1.1 and 1.2 we saw that particles of sugar, salt, Dettol or potassium permanganate go evenly distributed in water. Similarly, when we make tea, coffee or lemonade, means के नींबू पानी, particles of one type of matter get into the spaces between particles of the other. This shows that there is enough space between particles of matter. Okay, दोनों के बीच में enough space है. Then particles of matter are continuously moving. Okay, activity 1.3. Put an unit increase stick in a corner of your class. How close do you have to go near it so as to get its smell? Okay, incense stick हमें जला देनी है ना, धूप बत्ती जलानी है एक क्लास के कॉर्नर में, तो उसकी खुशबू जो है, उसकी जो महक है वो पूरे क्लास में स्प्रेड हो जाएगी. नाउ लाइट द इंक्रीज स्टिक्स, इंसेंस स्टिक. व्हाट हैपन्स, क्या होता है? डू यू गेट द स्मेल सिटिंग एट द डिस्टेंस? रिकॉर्ड योर ऑब्जर्वेशंस. ओके, एक्टिविटी 1.4. टेक 2 glasses beakers filled with water. Put a drop of blue or red ink slowly and carefully along the sides of the first beaker, and honey in the same way in the second beaker. Leave them undisturbed in your house or in a corner of the class. Record your observations. What do you observe? Immediately after ending the ink drop. Okay, क्या आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हो? What do you observe immediately after adding drop of honey? How many hours or days does it take for the color of ink to spread evenly throughout the water? Activity 1.5. Drop a crystal of copper sulfate or potassium permanganate into a glass of hot water and another containing cold water. Do not stir the solution. हमें solution को stir means के हिलाना नहीं है. Do not stir the solutions. Allow the crystal to settle at the bottom. What do you observe? Just above the solid crystal in the glass, What happens as time passes? टाइम पास होता है, आपको देखना है क्या होता है. What does this suggest about the particles of solid and liquids? Does the rate of mixing change with temperature? Why and now? क्या उसमें change आता है? From the above three activities 1.3, 1.4 and 1.5 we can conclude the following. क्या हम कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं? सो पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर आर कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग, वो कंटिन्यूसली मूविंग होते हैं. दैट इज दे पोजेसिस व्हाट वी कॉल द काइनेटिक एनर्जी. एज द टेम्परेचर राइजेस पार्टिकल्स मूव फास्टर. So we can say that with increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of the particles also increases. In the above three activities, we observe that particles of matter intermix on their own with each other. Okay, अपने आप intermix हो जाते हैं. They do so by getting into the spaces between the particles. This intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is called a diffusion. This is the definitions of diffusions. Okay, ये जो definitions है वो एग्ज़ाम में आ सकती है. ओके स्टूडेंट, मैं आपको जो है वो कौन से क्वेश्चंस एग्ज़ाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंस है वो भी मैं आपको बताती जाऊंगी. ओके, वी ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्व दैट ऑन हीटिंग डिफ्यूजन्स बिकम्स फास्टर. है ना, हीटिंग करते हैं तो डिफ्यूजन से वो फास्टर्स होता है. वाह, ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि हीटिंग करने से जो रेट है, जो मैटर्स की जो स्पीड है वो बढ़ती रहती है ना. देन 1.2.3 पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर एक्टिविटी. प्ले दिस गेम इन द फील्ड. मेक 4 groups and from human chains as suggested. The first group should hold each other from the back and lock arms like Iddu Mishmi dancer. इदू मिशमी डांसर की तरह अपने हाथ को लॉक कर देना है. ओके, द सेकेंड ग्रुप शुड होल्ड हैंड्स टू फॉर्म अ ह्यूमन चैन. द थर्ड ग्रुप शुड फॉर्म अ चैन बाय टचिंग ईच अदर विथ ओनली देयर फिंगर टिप्स. Now the fourth group students should run around and try to break the 3 human chains one by one into as many small groups as possible. Which groups was the easiest to break? जो फिंगर से टच है वही ग्रुप इजीली जो है वो बंद हो सकता है ना. If we consider each student as a particle of matter, then in which group the particles had each other with the maximum force. Okay. Then activity 1.7. Take an iron nail, a piece of chalk and a rubber band. Try breaking them by hammering, cutting or stretching. In which of the above 3 substances do you think the particles are held together with greater force? Okay. Then activity 1.8. Open a water tap. Try breaking the stream of water with your fingers. Were you able to cut the stream of water? कब आप कट कर सकते हो? What could be the reason behind the stream of water remaining together? The above 3 activities 1.6, 1.7 and 1.8 suggest that particles of matter have force acting between them. This force keeps the particles together. The strength of this force of attraction varies from one kind of matter to another. Okay. Then inbuilt questions है जो आपने लिखे होंगे. ओके, हम वो जो क्वेश्चंस है वो डिस्कस नहीं करते अभी. 1.3 states of matter. Observe different types of matter around you. What are its different states? We can see that matters around us exist in 3 different states: solid, liquid and gaseous. These states of matter arise due to the variation in the characteristics of the particles of matter. Now let us study about the properties of these 3 states of matter in details. द फर्स्ट द सॉलिड स्टेट. ओके, हम सॉलिड स्टेट्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. कलेक्ट द फॉलोइंग आर्टिकल्स: अ पेन, अ बुक, अ नीडल एंड अ पीस ऑफ वुडन स्टिक. Sketch the shape of the above articles in your notebook by moving a pencil around them. Do all these have a definite shape? सबका शेप सेम है. डिस्टेंस बाउंड्रीज एंड अ फिक्स वॉल्यूम है. बाउंड्रीज जो है वो डिस्टेंस मीन्स के फर्निश की हुई है. व्हाट हैपन्स इफ़ दे आर हैमर्ड? अभी उसको हम हैमर्ड करेंगे, पुड करेंगे और ड्रॉप करेंगे तो क्या होगा? आर दिस कैपेबल ऑफ डिफ्यूजिंग इनटू ईच अदर? वो टूट पाएंगे. ट्राई कंप्रेसिंग थैम बाय अप्लाइंग फोर्स. हमें फोर्स अप्लाई करना है. ओके, उसके ऊपर. आर यू एबल टू compress them? क्या आप उसको तोड़ सकते हो? ऑल द above आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सॉलिड्स. ये सारे जो है वो सॉलिड्स के एग्जाम्पल हैं, है ना, क्योंकि सॉलिड हैज़ अ डेफिनेट शेप होता है उसमें डेफिनेट. वी कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट ऑल दिस हैव अ डेफिनेट शेप्स, distance boundaries and fixed volumes, that is, have negligible compressibility. Solids have a tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Solids may break under force, but it is difficult to change their shape, so they are rigid. Okay, solid जो है वो rigid है. Consider the following. What about a rubber band? Can it change its shape on stretching? रबर बैंड जो है वो हम स्ट्रेचिंग से उसको शेप चेंज हो सकता है. इज इट अ सॉलिड? क्या वो सॉलिड है? वॉट अबाउट शुगर एंड सॉल्ट? शुगर और सॉल्ट में क्या चेंज हो सकता है? वैन केप्ट इन डिफरेंट जार्स दिस टेक द शेप ऑफ द जार. वो जार का ही शेप जो है वो ले लेती है ना. तो आर दे सॉलिड? नहीं, वो सॉलिड नहीं है. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ लिक्विड. वॉट अबाउट अ स्पॉन्ज? स्पॉन्ज में क्या होता होगा? इट इज़ अ सॉलिड येट वी आर एबल टू compress इट. वाई? उसको हम दबाते हैं तो कंप्रेसिबिलिटी होती है ना उसमें, बिकॉज इसमें बीच में तो होल होते हैं जिसमें देर आर एयर फिल्ड अप. ऑल द above आर सॉलिड एज अ रबर बैंड चेंजेस शेप अंडर फोर्स एंड reaches द सेम शेप when the force is removed. If excessive force is applied, it breaks. The shape of each individual sugar or salt crystals remains fixed. Whether we take it in our hand, put it in a plate or in a jar. A sponge has minute holes. स्पॉन्ज में छोटा ही होल होता है ना, छोटे छोटे होल होते हैं. इन विच एयर इज ट्रैप्ड, जिसमें एयर भरी हुई होती है. व्हेन वी प्रेस इट, जब हम उसको प्रेस करते हैं, द एयर इज एक्सप्लेड आउट एंड वी आर एबल टू compress इट. एयर उसमें से बाहर आती है. ओके, देन द लिक्विड स्टेट्स की हम बात करें. कलेक्ट द फॉलोइंग: वाटर, कुकिंग ऑयल, मिल्क, जूस, अ कोल्ड ड्रिंक. Containers of different shapes. Put a 50 milli mark on these containers using measuring cylinder from the laboratory. What will happen if these liquids are spilled on the floor? ये लिक्विड जब फ्लोर में पड़ता है तो क्या होता है? मेज़र 50 मिली ऑफ एनी वन लिक्विड एंड ट्रांसफ़र it into different containers one by one. Does the volume remain the same? क्या उसका वॉल्यूम सेम रहता है? Does the shape of the liquid remain the same? लिक्विड में शेप सेम रहता है. When you pour the liquid from one container into another, does it flow easily? Yes. We observe that liquids have no fixed shape but have a fixed volume. They take up the shape of the container in which they are kept. वो जो कंटेनर में डालते हैं उसका ही शेप उसमें हो जाता है ना. Liquids flow and change shape, so they are not rigid but can be called a fluid. Refer to activities. 1.4 and 1.5, where we saw that solids and liquids can diffuse into liquids. The gases from the atmosphere diffuse and dissolve in water. These gases, especially oxygen and carbon dioxide, are essential for the survival of aquatic animals. है ना, aquatic animals के लिए वो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. ओके स्टूडेंट, आज के लिए इतना देखते हैं. ये चैप्टर आप रिवीजन लेक्चर है. ओके, तो ध्यान देना. थैंक यू.